I'm Josh Wright, and I'm going to talk about skills practice 16, atomic size practice. Question 1 says, what force of attraction does the second energy level of a phosphorus atom feel from the nucleus? Draw a Bohr diagram and use it to explain your answer. The nucleus of a phosphorus atom has 15 protons, which gives it a plus 15 charge, which gets weakened by 2 electrons in the second level. Thus, the outer level feels a plus 5 charge from the nucleus. Question 2 says, using the concepts of shielding and attraction, explain why sulfur is smaller in radius than silicon. Sulfur's outer level electrons feels a plus 6 charge pulling on it from the nucleus. Silicon's outer level feels a weaker charge of plus 4 and therefore is not pulled as close to the nucleus as sulfur's outer level. Question 3 says, why can't you tell by looking at the periodic table whether chlorine or lithium is larger? Chlorine is lower in the periodic table, which would indicate that it is larger than lithium, but it is also located further to the right, which would indicate that it is smaller. As you move left in the periodic table, the radius gets bigger. Also, if you move down in the periodic table, the radius gets bigger. Question 4 says, order the following elements from smallest to largest. Alright, of the elements named, if you look at the periodic table and you move left and down, because if you move left, the radius gets bigger, and if you move down, the radius gets bigger, you can find out which element is bigger.